Hi guys, welcome to our last module, setting up automated prospecting alerts, which by the way I have applied and shown you from module 1 to 5, but still I will touch this. Sorry. So what are you going to see here? Saving searches to get notifications when new messages appear, creating multiple save searches, setting up real-time alerts, and organizing and managing your prospect pipeline with Apollo. Unfortunately, this is going to happen for the next video series because on that series I'm going to touch base how to use Apollo AI, how I am going to use. Let me show you Apollo. There are a couple of things actually I have already planned for that series. I am going to show you, for example, how to use the sequence and how to merge it to the workflows. And when we go to the people, I think I can show you the how to use AI inside the Apollo. This side is quite heavy though. But anyway, research with AI. So this is what I'm going to discuss along with this organizing and managing your prospect pipeline with Apollo. But for now, in the module 6, we're going to touch base these three of them. So as I said, saving searches to get notification when new matches appear. As I have shown you many times, the multiple occasion. For example, this is a filter. This is a filter. I'm not going to apply any of this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to save as a new search. So when it is coming as a save new search, I'm give a name, any name that you want. But here I'm going to give it a name. For example, just name to delete later. Anyway, because I'll delete it. So any name is suitable for you. For example, you can do it this way. You can define actually what is the search is all about. Are you looking for the BP of sales? Are you looking for the companies hiring today? Are you looking for the companies have funding recently? Are you looking for these companies has 20% growth last 6 months? So anything you feel suitable for you, you can name it accordingly. So save it. Once you save it, it will come over here, test name to delete later because there are so many names, and come over here. And then as I have shown, click on subscription. So whatever the filter was applied there, so any changes happen, any new data come in between, any companies, any contracts, any CEO, any director, whatever was the filter, you're going to be notified by the email. And then done. You can select it, I think daily, weekly, monthly. One second. Daily, weekly, monthly. Okay, and then choose and done. That's it. So I covered actually 2 points: saving searches and how to get a setting up real-time alerts. Now the creating multiple save searches, it is also the same. Like for each searches, you can have you might have, as I have said before, like probably you are working with the two different niche, like finance and law, for example. So any search that you make around the finance, you can have them separately saved. You have anything around the law, any other niche that you work with, you can save them separately as well, or based on the filter or anything you name, anything, any filter or anything that you like to filter with, you can give it a name. All right. Now, the next series of videos, I'll discuss the critical part of the Apollo, which is the sequence, and then we tie up with these workflows, and then we're going to use the AI to research those particular contacts that we have saved today, and then we're going to write the uh, email exactly like the email, like as you can see, generate message. So there are plenty of templates. We can create our own AI prompt. I'm going to discuss everything along with the sequence and the workflows. So thank you so very much guys, and I hope you enjoyed the whole video series, and I hope you have learned something from there. So if you have any question around the Apollo, please get in touch. You can ask me on my comments, or you can send me an email. And this is what I do for living. I implement this Clay, I implement the Apollo to the recruitment agencies. I have a whole bunch of like an AI and automation services regarding for the AI, sorry, for the recruitment and the staffing agencies. If you need any help, please get in touch. Or otherwise, if you have any questions, please get in touch. I'd love to help you guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.